if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Friends, watch very closely. This is slow motion. Trump's head is going to tilt ever so slightly right there, and then he flinches, his shoulder goes up, and then he grabs his ear when he realizes that he's been nicked. Are you kidding me? Let's watch it again. His head is straight. He barely tilts and then flinches. It was a split second, literally. Tell me that is not the intervention of Almighty God making sure that this man stays alive for us.